Hello students. So now exercise 3E 8th sum, that is a picture was marked at ₹90. It was sold at 3/4 of its marked price. What was the sale price? So picture marked price is ₹90 and it was sold at 3/4 of its marked price. What was the sale price? So sale price is equal to 3/4 of its mark price. It was sold 3/4 of its mark price. So it means sale price is 3/4 of mark price. So sale price is your 3/4 of mark price is ₹90. So this you have to find by yourself and comment the answer in comment box of this sum. So now 7th part. Ram had sent 15 parcels of oranges. What was the total weight of the parcels if each weighed 10 whole 1/2 kg? So weight of one parcel is given 10 whole 1/2 kg. So we have to find the total weight of the parcels. So total number of parcels are 15. So weight of one parcel is equal to 10 whole 1/2 kg. Weight of how many parcels? 15 parcels is equal to 10 whole 1/2 kg is the weight of one parcel. Weight of 15 parcel will be more in comparison of weight of one parcel. So for more, multiply by 15. This you also find by yourself and comment the answer in comment box. Now students, see 15th sum. Vijay weighed 65 whole 1/2 kg. He gained 1 whole 2/5 kg during the first week, 1 whole 1/4 kg during the second week, but lost 5/16 kg during third week. What was his weight after third week? So Vijay's weight after third week is equal to, what was the weight? 65 whole 1/2 plus gain we will add and lost we will subtract. So plus 1 whole 2/5 kg gain during first week plus second week 1 whole 1/4 kg gain, and in third week lost 5/6 kg. So minus 5/16 kg. So 65 whole 1/2 plus 1 whole 2/5 plus 1 whole 1/4 minus 5/16 kg. So we will change this into improper first. 131/2 plus 7/5 plus 5/4 minus 5/16 kg. So we will take the LCM first. LCM will come 80. 80. So now we will divide this. We will get 40 multiply 131. 4 1s are 4. 0 here for 40. 4 3s are 12. Carry 1. 4 1s are 4 and 1 5. Plus when we will divide 80 by 5 we will get 16. 16 multiply 7 112 plus 20 multiply 5 100 minus 16 5s are, so 5 5s are 25 kg. So add all the positive numbers. What we will get? 2, then 4 and 1 5, then 2 1 3 and 1 4, then 5 as it is, minus 25 kg upon 80. So now we will subtract this. 10 to 12 minus 5 7, 4 minus 2 2, and here 4 and here 5 upon 80 kg. So if divisible by any same number we will divide, otherwise change into mixed. After changing into mixed, what we will get? See, $80 here, 5, 4, 2, 7. 6 480, then 2 and here 6, then we will take 7 also. 7 8 is 56, 8 8 is 64, 7 the 560, then remainder 7, then here 6. So here 80, here 67 and here also 67 kg. So the answer is 67 upon 80 kg. Now students, 13th sum, that is, a man spends 2 upon 5 of his salary on food and 3 upon 10 on house rent. What was his fraction of his salary is still left with him? For your information, total fraction is 1. Total fraction is 1. So out of 1, 2 upon 5 is spent on food and 3 upon 10 on house rent. So what was his fraction of his salary is still left with him? So fraction of salary is still left is equal to, total is 1. 2 upon 5 of his salary is spent on food, 3 upon 10 on house rent. So minus 2 upon 5, then minus 3 upon 10. Suppose you have 10 rupees. Of 2 rupees you have purchased the toffees and 5 rupees of biscuit packet. So it means how much amount you have still left? So minus 2 minus 5. So 10 minus 2 minus 5 means minus 7. So 3 rupees you still left. In the same way, total fraction is 1. Out of 1, 2 upon 5 is spent on food and 3 upon 10 on house rent. So minus 2 upon 5 minus 3 upon 10. So is equal to, we will take the LCM. LCM will come 10. Here 1. So 10 1 the 10 minus 5 2 the 10, 2 2 the 4 minus 10 1 the 10, 1 3 the 3 is equal to 10 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 upon 10. So 10 minus 7, 3 upon 10. So fraction of salary is still left is equal to 3 upon 10. It is the answer. So now students, see 15th sum, and it is very interesting sum. Shyam bought a mobile for rupees 5,000. He had 1 upon 10. He paid 1 upon 10 of the price in cash and the rest in 12 equal monthly installment. How much he to pay each month? So how much amount paid in cash? 1 upon 10th of the price paid in cash and rest in installment. So first we will find how much amount paid in installment. 12 equal installment. So amount paid in 12 installment is equal to, what is the cost of mobile? 5,000 rupees. 5,000 minus amount paid in cash. After paying the cash amount, the amount left is the amount paid in installment. So 5,000 minus amount paid in cash, remaining amount paid in installment. So we are finding that amount. So rupees 5,000, how much amount paid in cash? 1 upon 10th of the price. So 1 upon 10 of price means 5,000. So first we will solve of portion is equal to rupees 5,000 minus 1 upon 10 means 0 to 0 cancel. So 5 banda 5 rupees 500 paid in cash. Total amount was 5,500 paid in cash. It means amount is still left to paid in installment 5,000 minus 500. So it is coming rupees 4,500. This amount paid in installment, 12 equal installment. So amount paid in one installment each month is equal to rupees 4,500 upon 12. So 4,500 is the total amount. So amount paid in installment, one installment each month, 4,500 upon 12. So by 12, if divisible, divide it. By 4, 3 they both are divisible. 3 4 the 12, 1,500. Once again. So now by 4 they are divisible. 4 1 the 4, 4 3 is the 12. Remainder is 3, 30, 4 7 the 28, 4 5 is the 20. So rupees 375 is the amount paid in one installment each month. Listen again. Shyam bought a mobile for rupees 5,000, 1 upon 10 he paid in cash and rest amount in 12 equal installment. So they are asking how much had he to pay in one installment. So first we will find amount left to paid in installment. So amount paid in 12 installment is equal to rupees 5,000 minus paid in cash. So amount paid in cash means 1 upon 10th of the price. So 1 upon 10 of rupees 5,000. So it is coming 500. So 4,500 is the amount paid in installment. So amount paid in one installment rupees 4,500 upon 12. So it is coming rupees 375. So this is the answer.